Hey there! Today we're diving into a common coding problem that can trip you up if you're not careful. So, let's talk about the problem at hand. The code provided aims to calculate the Hamming weight of integers, but when it encounters the number 214-748-3645, it throws an error related to signed integer overflow. Quite the hiccup, right? Now let's focus on the solution. The difference between comparing a sad face float into and a equals into lies in the way it is treated for comparison. By converting it to a float, you end up losing some precision due to the limitations of a 32-bit float representation. This loss of precision causes the comparison to change its outcome, which explains why the error pops up for the integer 214-748-3645. Continuing with the solution, let's take a closer look at a brief code snippet. When you try to represent the integer 214-748-3645 as a float, it gets rounded up to 214-748-3648. This rounding up is what leads to the unexpected behavior in the comparison within the code. In summary, understanding the nuances of data types and conversions is crucial when coding to avoid unexpected errors like the one encountered with the integer 214-748-3645. So, be mindful of how your data is being handled to prevent such issues in your coding journey. And with that, it's time to wrap up. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Keep coding with precision, and I'll catch you in the next one.